Okay, so now our CP value is 1.872. That's our CP value for water. So to find the enthalpy change for water, we're going to multiply the 1.872 by the change in temperature from the standard. So which is 25, oh sorry, not 25, 298 minus 1200, which is equal to 1.872 times 298 minus 1200, which is equal to 1689 minus 1689, which is in kilojoules per kg. So to turn it to moles, we multiply it by the molar mass, which is equal to negative 1689 kilojoules per kg times the molar mass of water, which is 18, which will be equal to 3393 kilojoules per kilo mole. Okay, so what's going to happen now is we're going to fix all these values into here, so which means that our QCV will be equal to, the work here is 0, product NE HF 0 minus change in H exit. Then we bring this the other side, minus reaction and I HF plus change in H, so it's supposed to be plus I. Okay, so our QCV here will be equal to, when we get, so for the beginning we just have the change in HF0 since it's a standard, so which is change in HF0 103,900. Sorry, let me start with the products. Let me put the reaction at the end, the reactants at the end, since I've put it at the end. So let me start first with the product. So for the product, we're going to start first with the carbon dioxide, which is 3, and then HF0 for carbon dioxide, so it's supposed to be negative 393,522, then minus, since it's plus, but then the change in enthalpy for CO2 gave us a minus value, so we do minus 21392. okay, then plus, since we're still summing up, for water, which is 4 waters, then the enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of formation of water is negative 285,830. Then the minus, since it's a negative, goes to the negative, which we found to be 30,393. okay, and then we're going to have to add. So if we add this value, we're going to add the value of the reactant, which we found to be negative 103,900. 103,900. okay, so that, I'm just going to write the answer here. Our QCV will be equal to, so we're just going to punch in the values. Okay, so after we punch in the value, what we do get is QCV is equal to negative 2613534 kilojoules per kilo mole. Okay, so this is how we find the enthalpy of formation which is not at a standard pressure and temperature.